Welcome everybody to hridaya-family. We are very excited to invite you to join us in the workshop on love, sacred intimacy, and conscious relationship. Many times life presents us beautiful opportunities. We meet an amazing human being and we fall in love and we feel so close to the divine, and then something starts happening and again we fall into the same old patterns. We start hurting each other, and or maybe the relationship becomes dry, flat, the passion is lacking there, and in the end we lose somehow these opportunities. And how many times we ask ourselves in our lives, how can I face the challenges in the relationship but in a way that I don't close the heart, or we don't become distant from each other? Or for instance, how to keep that fire of the passion. So all these questions we are going to explore in this workshop together. And this program in particular is a very powerful and unique mixture of psychotherapeutic tools which modern psychology offers us, authentic tantric teachings, and also the spiritual teachings of the heart, hridaya. So the modern psychology offers us the possibility to bring more light of awareness into the hidden or subconscious parts of our being, so we become actually more loving and more compassionate and more aware about these parts. So then we actually can come into a state when we have energy and potential to embrace another human being with love and compassion as well. Then the tantric teachings, we can learn from there how to use the potential of sexual energy in human being in order to deepen the passion. And we'll also explore the power and potential of cultivating polarities, the feminine and the masculine, in order to bring more juiciness to the relationship. And finally, with the spiritual teaching of the heart, we learn how to open our heart and live with an open heart, and how to develop it as an organ of knowledge, and how to go beyond our personality, our limiting tendencies, patterns, and to root ourselves into something deeper, into the core of our being, in the heart, and to live life from there, and to discover that our deepest essence is love. So now we are coming into relationship not from the sense of neediness or lack anymore, but from this sense of fullness, completeness. We are overflowing with love, which we sense within us, and we want to share it with the other human beings and with the whole world as well. For this workshop, everybody is welcome, whether you are alone right now or in a couple. So we are looking forward to meeting you here and to embark on this amazing and profound journey together.